Welcome to MathMapper. This video clip introduces you to the Learning Map. The Learning Map is like a table of contents for a book. It helps you find things, but it has more to do than that. After watching this, you can view several other videos which are found under your name in the profile icon in the upper right corner of the MathMapper window. Those tell you how to use practice, tries, and your track record. The Learning Map has 4 quadrants. Each contains a major mathematical field: number, geometry and measurement, algebra, and statistics and probability, along with 9 big ideas. You can show the big ideas labels by clicking on a single eye icon, or by turning on all the big idea labels at the same time. When you zoom into a big idea, you will see circles, called constructs, which are organized into closely related groups called clusters. Zooming into the big idea position, compare, and operate on one-dimensional quantities, you can see 4 clusters. The leftmost one is positioning fractions and decimals on a number line. It has 3 constructs. The bottom 2 constructs, positioning, representing, and ordering fractions on a number line, and positioning, representing, and ordering decimals on a number line, are learned first in that cluster, but they can be learned in either order. The one on the top, converting between fractions and decimals, comes last in the cluster. So, inside a big idea, you explore the map from bottom to top within a cluster, and from left to right across clusters. Now, each construct is built from a learning trajectory, or LT. Click a construct circle and you can see its LT. Each learning trajectory is a series of statements. They're numbered L1, L2, and so forth from bottom to top. These are called proficiency levels. The number to the right of each level is the grade that it's typically connected with in school. Some levels have yellow caution triangles. These signal possible misconceptions. Flip the misconception over to see the correct idea. The LT's proficiency levels are the detailed signposts of our mathematical roadmap, and they guide both practice and assessment in MathMapper. Every level of every learning trajectory has several problems to go along with it. By the way, we'll refer to those as problems, or items, or questions. Your results from answering those problems in both practice and tries will show you if you're making progress on that LT. Then you check the LT to find out what to learn next.